Take a ride in the 2018 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, rear-wheel drive, remote trunk release, tires front all season, tires rear all season, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.